English teacher. Yeah. She's barbering my edges, so I give you A+++++. A+. But yeah. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Creative Teresa, and today I'm here with a new special video. This video is going to be special because I have a special guest. So today we're going to be trying out a bold cap on my head, and rather than me doing it, my little sister is going to be doing it. So yeah, game on. We've actually never done it before, so before we begin this video, please don't forget to like below, click the subscription button, and also share this video. So I'll let her come in and then we'll start this whole video. Yeah, game on. Anyways, this is her. Yeah.
Hey guys,
Introduce yourself.
my name is Miss Erica in the car. No, I'm joking. Anyway, so obviously this is my first time, so do not judge me. If you see me doing something wrong, like I'm gonna try to act like a professional, but do not judge me. You can't say. Alright, so
I need to remove the wig first. So
we got her head, her beautiful head,
your head,
and we're gonna take it off
yeah,
and do it. So obviously, first thing first, what we're gonna do is proceed to take this off. So you're gonna be like,
you're gonna take off on the camera.
oh, you wanna wait?
Right. You've never done this before, so how are
Okay,
you gonna
guys,
do this?
I've never done this. Oh, should I go into your clothes?
Tell me why it's hot in September.
Isn't it, guys?
It's so hot.
It's so hot. Sorry, I had
So
to
hot.
change.
She
so-
went to change. I don't know why. But that's not the point of this video. So you guys can see this wig. It's messy, but we'll come to this later. Anyways, you
Okay, so
do
first
your
thing
job.
first, yeah. What we're gonna do is pull this forward, like that.
right.
So we'll bring it forward so it captures all the forehead to make it statistically good. Okay, let me stop.
What are you on about?
Okay, so
Alright, you're not in
what
the
we-
video.
sorry. What do they use? They usually like spray the thing in it.
God knows. Yeah, they sprayed this thing.
Yeah,
first.
they spray this.
Right.
Right. So this is
You should know this.
in it.
Right.
Got to be. Yeah.
Wait, can you see your face? Because it's a bit.
Yeah, it's a bit down.
Okay.
Okay. We use got to be. Right. My hair is a mess, but you know it's cool. It's cool.
Yeah.
So we use got to be, as you can see, and I'm gonna spray it.
Okay.
Your edges. I mean your eyebrows.
Just allow it.
What if it goes on your eyebrows?
I'll close
should
my eyes.
I bring it back a bit? Hold this.
I saw the video. You cut this part off.
No, but you want me to cut it?
Yeah, because you're doing a bald cap. That's the video.
Oh, okay. Okay. What's up, Gwen? You know what Miss E is? Erica in the cut. Don't play with me. Sorry, I just had to say that. It's Miss E. Miss E in the cut. Well, guys, follow me on TikTok. Miss E dot underscore. Wait, sorry, no. It's Miss dot underscore E dot underscore. Something like that. If you go, you see me. Do you know what I'm saying? So follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Instagram.
We'll put her link down.
Yeah.
For her TikTok.
Link down below.
Yeah. Come on, the seat.
Well, yeah. Erica underscore 321 underscore. That's my Instagram.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
I'll leave her TikTok name in the link below. for
And
you
my
guys to follow.
Insta.
Yeah, and
And go
Instagram.
follow me. Don't follow me to unfollow. And don't just go look at it and go. Follow me. Please.
Right, you see it. Right, yeah, there you go then.
Sorry.
You do your job.
Alright, so
Yeah.
guys, first we're gonna use got to be.
We need
I don't know
actually
if
that.
I don't
need
even know. I don't even know. I see you lot using it. Well, things in it for the hair and that. So
this. Right.
are you gonna cut it?
Yeah, you have to do this first. You have to spray this
You have to
first.
spray it first. Oh.
Yeah, around the edges or something. Wait, no.
Oh yeah, because they normally bring it to the front, innit?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Are you scared?
Yes, I am. Close your eyes.
Yeah, it's cold.
Why you
I'm going my eyes. Hey.
I'm going all the way around, right?
No, just the edges part.
Okay. Why are you moving your head? I need to do this side.
What are you doing? It's so close.
Why so close?
The spray. Oh, how do those people do it on themselves?
Isn't
Right?
it?
Right.
This
go
how
on
you know I've never done it before.
then. Move it a bit back. The way you're spraying it.
But then it's gonna go on your face.
Hey, jeez.
Let me take. Oh my gosh, you are chicken.
Alright.
Okay.
So, you let it dry, innit?
Yeah, should we use the thingy?
The what?
The blood dryer.
Yeah. Let me put some on this side. It's not even plugged in. It's not plugged in. Hold on. Wait.
Yeah. I already used the plasma.
Right. Time for the big review. Is it dry? I just.
You?
Yeah, it's pretty dry.
Let's do this side. No, this
Nah,
side
that's
is not dry.
Not dry. Does it?
A bit more spray.
Okay, put a tiny bit.
I'll probably like just a
Yeah.
ooh. Next thing we're gonna use is
The scissors.
this. I'm joking. But we're gonna use the scissors.
Alright.
That means it was done well. Your hand,
I
you're
was
looking at
scared.
for me.
Cap, please.
I won't cut you.
She's barbering my edges, so. That's not bad. It's not bad for a first try. Take it slow.
Yeah.
Can't lie, you've done well. First go is pretty good for your first go.
So what do you do next? Put makeup on.
Makeup, yeah.
Alright, so what do? They add
Makeup, yeah.
so guys. So now I'm gonna be applying makeup to my hands because that's what I'll be seeing people do, so I'm doing it too.
Yep. Wow.
I feel like a hairstylist, even though I'm not.
Yeah, go follow her. Go follow. What's it name again on TikTok?
Let me see.
Go and follow Miss E. Alright?
Missy!
Go follow Miss E. Alright.
Okay.
Miss London.
Miss London.
Miss London.
And the camera looks like, oh no, it looks 2 shades of black, brown. I corrected myself. It's a brown.
Yes.
I'm applying makeup to it so it matches her skin tone. You know?
This side is. Let's cut this.
Gosh,
We're getting somewhere.
we're getting somewhere.
Yeah. Actually getting somewhere.
Trying to make this.
Just the makeup, man.
Yeah. As you can see, I've applied makeup to it, so it makes it look like a color, but we don't actually have a proper darker color to mix it with.
Yep.
So we're just improvising on what we have. So yeah, this hair is a bit shangalanga as she's worried.
It's a word.
Anyway, so I'm about to apply this on. She's already cut it, as you can see. She's already cut the
Yeah,
base. So
I cut the lace off it, guys.
it was for her birthday, guys.
You have
Shout out
expose
to
it.
my sister.
But anyways, yeah, I cut the lace anyway, so this
yeah.
is perfect for this bald cap.
So it's already been cut.
Hey,
I don't know how these lot apply it on.
What does that help you out?
Yeah.
The way my head is bouncing here, we'll fall down by the time you finish putting it on.
This is so tangly.
I know.
Yeah. Na, 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 na. I finally completed it. As you can see, I tried.
It looks pretty good, guys. I can't lie. She did so well. The bold cap and the slaying the wig give you A plus. A plus.
But yeah,
you've done really well.
I tried.
This is giving. This is giving, to be honest. I really like this. The edges on fleek, the wig on fleek. A plus. Yeah.
Okay.
But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Yep. I hope this was very entertaining. I know I wasn't really talking to you, but you got to see the gist of what I was trying to do. But guys, go follow me on TikTok. Go follow me on TikTok.
Yeah.
Game on. But yeah, go follow me on TikTok and Snapchat. Don't judge me for my Snapchat name, by the way.
Don't judge her. Don't judge her.
I was young.
A plus for this, but
this was pretty decent. This was pretty decent.
Pretty good.
For my first time. This is my first time. I've never done this before. So guys, don't judge me. Anyways, how you want to end it?
Yeah. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed.
Guys,
our special guest here.
We look alike. Do we look alike?
Yeah, we do.
We look alike. Anyways, guys,
don't forget to follow. It's free as always. It's not 1 million. It's not 2 million. It's free. It's
bye.